Hi friends, I'm Dr. Aajay Shah, and in this 2-minute long video I'm going to explain you effects of alcohol. Drinking in moderation at times has been recommended as a health benefit activity. Many centenarians, people who live 100, actually drink responsibly. At the same time, base recommendation, in my opinion, health-wise, is zero alcohol. So let's talk what alcohol can do to you. Alcohol can increase your appetite. It can make you eat very unhealthy calories and make you weight gain. Alcohol can lower your active testosterone level and can lower your muscle mass. Alcohol can actually increase your estrogen level. Alcohol actually is responsible for many cancers, including breast cancer in women. Even one wine per day can increase the woman's breast cancer risk by almost 25 to 30%. It can also lead to oral or mouth cancer, stomach cancer, and prostate cancer. So alcohol definitely is responsible for many cancer deaths. Alcohol can lead to poor sleep. It can lead to a poor deep sleep and poor REM sleep. Alcohol can lower your productivity the day after you drink. Alcohol obviously is responsible for many accidents and many deaths. Alcohol actually is also now proven to be responsible for lowering your productivity. Alcohol can lead to low level of platelets, which is the blood cells, which can help to clot the blood. Alcohol can affect the bone marrow and can cause bone marrow suppression. Alcohol can make you actually nauseous, vomiting. Alcohol can affect the heart muscle and can cause weakness of the heart muscle. Alcohol actually also can cause atrial fibrillation, which is irregular heartbeat, which can lead to stroke. So alcohol definitely has a many health consequences, and definitely alcohol is not a healthy activity. So I recommend zero alcohol. We all have drinks once in a while. Let's take a pledge to drink responsibly, drink as minimum as possible, quit completely if possible. If we do this thing together, I'm sure we'll succeed. Living healthy is a group activity, and if we work together, we'll have a long, happy, healthy life. If you like this video, please share. If you like this health movement, please click on our social media page. I assure you that if you ask questions and have comments, I will answer each of them individually. Thank you and wish you the best.